Good afternoon, Mr. Cayman here, another video. Welcome back to the channel for those who are returning. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. Just going for a little walk today just to get outside, some vitamin D, and try to explore. Right now I'm just in Lakeside. We're on the highway, if you're familiar, Eastleigh Tibbetts Highway, Lakeside. It just rained quite a bit, but the rain stopped, but it's really humid. And we're gonna go for a walk and hopefully pick up some trash. Fortunately, there's a lot of trash like right here. Hello again. We are here in this path that we usually take to go to 7 Mile Beach. Decided the purpose of today's video will be to go for a little walk, try and show you the mangroves here, many other plants, trees that we can find, and try to show you nature of Grand Cayman. I'll give a little introduction, which I haven't really done in my other videos. Apologize for that. If you don't know who I am, my name's Evan Pyle. I live in Grand Cayman, the Cayman Islands. I've been here for almost 5 years. I used to work at the Marriott for about 4 years, and just recently there was Carlton until the pandemic started. And then I've been laid off, pending to go back, but still waiting for that. Met my wonderful girlfriend Gabby here almost 2 years ago. We've been dating for almost 2 years, and yeah, we're originally from Toronto, Canada. To all my subscribers from Canada, Toronto, Vancouver, how you doing? Welcome again. And we're just here going for a nice little walk. Somewhat cloudy, but sun is out a little bit too, which is nice. We're going to see what we can find. So here we are in this path, which I take a lot to go to 7 Mile Beach. Over here we have the mangroves, which are everywhere in this island. They're very vital for many reasons. They protect the land from erosion. They provide habitats for fish and other marine life, which is very crucial for sustaining the ecosystem. I can give you a better view. There's the mangroves. Very swampy. Sometimes you can see turtles in the water here. We have freshwater turtles as well as the sea turtles that are in the ocean. Also, the mangroves are, well, the standing water. It's breeding grounds for mosquitoes, which have been quite bad of late. It's like a little bridge, but I don't want to go on that. I'll definitely slip and hurt myself and get soaking wet in this muddy water. I've actually never been here, this part. You can see, unfortunately, all the trash that people have left here, which is unfortunate, like bottles mostly. Yeah, it's tons of garbage here, which is sad. But yeah, these are the mangroves. This is the unfortunate reality of the day. Lots of garbage. And I see a turtle. Oh, there we go. There was a turtle. I don't know if you saw it. I saw it shell, and then he kind of just went under the water. Can't see him now, he's under the water, but yeah, you'll be getting a lot of frogs here. Turtles a lot too. It's really unfortunate. A lot of this garbage, man. Jesus. I think the next thing I'll do is I brought a garbage bag. I'm going to try and clean some of this bottles and everything, all the garbage here, clean it up and bring it back home and toss it in the bin, which I like to do from time to time. It's always nice to clean up where you live. It's unfortunate people would litter like this, like a lot of stuff here. But I'm gonna try and clean this up. I'll see you shortly. So I got my hat on, my Michigan hat, go blue. So I'm gonna start cleaning up this garbage. Got my bag here, so hopefully I can fill it up with all this, like cans mostly and bottles. You got plastic everywhere, unfortunately. So I'll be busy doing this, and then I'll go for a walk just around where we came and check out more of the nature of Cayman. See you soon. Okay, I just finished. My bag is full of mostly plastics, cans, whatever I could find. Here it is. Look at all that. That's just one bag. I could have easily probably filled up 3 or 4 more, but I only brought one bag. As you can see, before there was a lot of plastic. There are still some more, but you know, I got what I could. I kind of got out of the mud here because I got an ant that bit me and kind of stinging a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's kind of wearing off now. But as you can see, there's still more garbage, but I'm doing my best. I'll try and come back here maybe tomorrow or the next day and do some more damage and clean some, excuse me, and clean more of this up. But at least I got a bag full. That'll be less garbage in our mangroves and our ecosystem here in Cayman. So I'm happy that I could accomplish that. And yeah, we're gonna go for a little more of a walk just down this path here. We're going a little bit to the left, and we'll see what we can find. Man, it's so hot. The sun just came out like 10 minutes ago. It was kind of cloudy, it rained, so the humidity just spiked. I brought my hat, which is great. Wearing a long sleeve shirt for the sun protection. You can see there's another big cloud coming in, so hopefully it doesn't rain on me. That'll be nice. So, whew, I've definitely done my good deed for the day. We'll see you soon, guys, okay? Thank you for watching. I don't know if you can see, but there's some ducks here. I've only seen them a few times, not too often. It's like a family of ducks. There's I guess the mama. I guess they have like a little nest over there maybe. But there's 1, 2, 3. There's like 4 or so. Yeah, they're sitting down. Hey guys. I hear the stupid chickens hollering. I just heard a splash. Maybe it's a turtle. A lot of water back there, so there's definitely some turtles there probably. But see you later, Mr. Ducks. I'm just walking here with my bag full of plastic and cans which I found. Just walking and enjoying nature, hearing the bugs. bugs, hearing the bugs and the birds. These little butterflies around, which is nice. If you would come here at night, you could find what we have here called the land crabs. They generally bury, you see right there, that hole? I believe that's a land crab hole. So at night they come out, like dozens and dozens, hundreds. When it rains, because their holes get filled with water, and they leave out the holes, and you can catch them and eat them if you want, but you have to be careful of that because they do eat garbage and other things like that. More of the mangroves. Yeah, it gets quite wet in there. And that's where you'll find a lot of bugs, and the mosquitoes breed there and hatch their eggs. You can see the roots of the mangroves there, so a lot of fish and other marine species have their habitats there, and especially when they're younger. My arm's getting heavy from carrying this bag of garbage, but it'll be over soon. That's worth it. So this plant, forgive me if I'm wrong, I think it's silver thatch palm, which is one of the national plants of the Cayman Islands. They have many purposes. They use it for like housing, like for the back in the old days. They got more of the mangroves. And unfortunately, I see some more plastic and some garbage there, but I hear the chickens hollering, but I don't see them. I hear them, but I don't see them. Sometimes we see snakes in this path too. Gabby hates standing here. She likes to run through this. A lot of empty coconuts. Oh, there's a rooster. You can see him right there. He's just searching the place out. Okay, so I think I'm going to head back now. I think I accomplished quite a bit, gathering that garbage from the mangroves there. I think I did a good job, but there's still more, unfortunately, there. Whew. And it's hot too, so I want to head back. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers who subscribed. Thank you, I really appreciate it, all the support. Again, if you're new, smash that like button and subscribe button. And stay tuned for more content. Hopefully go to the beach sometime this week. And try to do some other videos Thanks again for everyone's support. Mr. Cayman signing off. Take care, guys.